Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this laptop. So to do this, open the three icons menu in the bottom right corner of the screen, and then here select next page right here. Here you'll find Mobile Hotspot feature, click on it, and this way you will enable your hotspot. Now, to change hotspot settings, let's go to settings, network and internet, mobile hotspot, and here you can change whether you want to share your internet using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can connect to the network, for example, on your phone or any other device by finding the laptop on the list of available devices. As you can see, I already see it on the list of available devices on my phone. So I can even try to connect to it, but alternatively and more conveniently, I can just scan this QR code and this way connect to the network. And as you can see, I am already connected. Now you can also edit your network properties by clicking edit. You can change your network name, you can change the password for your network, and you can change the network band you can either use 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz connections. And to disable it, just switch the toggle to the left, and this way you will disable your mobile hotspot. Alternatively, you can disable it in this menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.